All parties Hurriyat Conference has reaffirmed the unwavering determination of the Kashmiri people to continue their struggle for freedom despite the ongoing brutalities by the BJP-led Indian government in occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, emphasized that the killings, arrest and torture inflicted by the Indian forces personnel cannot diminish the Kashmiris' urge for freedom. Legal Forum for Kashmir has unveiled its comprehensive biannual review for 2024, highlighting the severe human rights violations and escalating repression in occupied Kashmir. The report states that from January to June 2024, there was a sustained trend of the state repression with 202 cordon and search operations, resulting in 72 deaths. These casualties include 19 civilians, 23 freedom fighters and 30 Indian troops, as reported by the Legal Forum for Kashmir. Indian troops have detained a youth in the Baramulla district. The troops arrested Shakir Ahmed during a cordon and search operation at the Eco Park crossing in the Baramulla district. Additionally, the Indian troops reported the recovery of a substantial cache of the arms, ammunition and explosives during a search operation in the forest area of the Kupwara district. New Delhi-controlled Bharatiya Janata Party regime has allocated 53 canals of the state land to the Indian Central Reserve Police Force for establishing a new battalion in the Baramulla district. The Revenue Department, under the orders from the BJP regime led by the Lieutenant Governor, has transferred 53 canals and 3 marlas of the land to the CRPF's 53 battalion. A masjid and several houses were damaged in a massive fire that broke out in the Srinagar city. The fire broke out in the Umar Colony area of the city on the Wednesday, while an earthquake measuring magnitude 4.4 on the Richter scale struck the Ladakh region. However, no loss of the life or property has been reported.